Welcome to EZLOGZ. This video is part of a series of training videos with helpful and in-depth information on our products. Find out how EZLOGZ can increase your fleet performance and save money. Let's look at the option of creating a DVR report on the driver's side and the manager's side. If you are a driver, if there is no completed DVR report in your personal account, you will see the No Dvir button. Click on it. Select the vehicle for which you want to create a report. Next, select one or more trailers. Click on the plus opposite the trailers heading. If you add a new trailer, enter the name of the new trailer. To confirm, click the Add button. After selecting the required transport and trailers, click on the highlighted area to select the detected defects. If there are no defects, skip this step. In the window that opens, switch between the Unit and Trailers tabs and select the appropriate defects. Then click the Save button. Enter additional information in the window that appears regarding your defects, if necessary. Click OK. Select the date and time. Select the location manually or click the corresponding icon and your current location will be detected automatically. Enter the odometer data at the time of the report. Check all the data and click Next. On the Signature page, confirm that the selected defects are correct and put your signature. If there are defects in your report, the mechanic's signature will also be required. Click Save. Everything is ready. As a result, you will see the generated report. If you are a manager, in the left menu, go to the Logbook item. Select DVR and click the Create DVR button. Select the desired driver. Change the date and time if necessary. Next, enter the odometer data and select a location. Finally, enter additional information about your defects, if necessary. Select a specific vehicle and select the defects detected. If necessary, repeat these steps for trailers. Confirm that the defects are correct. If defects are found, the report must be signed by a car mechanic. Click the Save button. Done. Now the driver needs to confirm the report data. The driver will see a message on the dashboard about a request to create a report. Click on it. Go to the DVR Offer tab and click on the request. Check the data and put your signature. Confirm by clicking the Approve button. The No DVR button will change to the DVR button on the dashboard. Clicking on it will show you the current DVR report. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please get in touch with our support, which is available 24/7.